Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be changing out the wipers on the 2018 F150. I'll kind of show you step by step on how to do that. If you're not sure on what wipers to get, you can actually just go to AutoZone. You can go right to the cashier and say, hey, I have a 2018 F150. What size wipers do I need? And they'll go ahead and tell you exactly what you need. To get started, I just picked up the wipers that I need. I have a 22-inch and a 26-inch. So I'm going to be go ahead and putting them on the truck today, and I will show you how to take them off. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and lift this piece up like this. And as you can see, this thing is absolutely shot from the sun and everything and the weather, wear and tear. So let's go ahead and prop this camera up so I can kind of show you how we're doing this. So open this up just like this, just enough to go ahead and get this little lever right here. So if you just push that up with your hand, just like that, you can actually slide this thing out. So let me show you what that looks like. Push this lever up with your hand and slide this thing down. And then it should slide right out. And this thing is absolutely beat. So we're gonna go ahead and get our new wiper. So here we go, let's go ahead and take these out. All right, you can just slide this little piece off. So just like that. So that's the first one. And here is the second one right here. So let's go ahead and empty this one. Driver one. There we go. So the driver side is the 22-inch and the passenger side is the 26-inch. As you can see, it lines up perfectly with the old one. And to get it in, it's going to be the reverse process. This little hook is where you're going to slide the wiper in and up until you hear the click. All right, so just slide it through here, shoot it down, and then you're going to go ahead and close this flap here. And we have our first wiper done, as you can see, right there, looking good. And this is the old and beat up one. Pretty beat. And if you're not really sure on how to do it, here's an instruction sheet to kind of show you how to go ahead and use them. All right, let's go ahead and get this one right here. So same thing, lift it up. We're gonna push this piece down and slide this. There we go. And then it should come right out. Same thing, we're gonna open this piece up, just like that. Slide it through the hook so it snaps, and we're going to push this all the way up, and then we're going to snap it in. Go ahead and test them out, see how they do. All right, and just like that, everything is nice and smooth. The driver's side is a 22-inch and the passenger side is a 26-inch. So if you guys have any questions at all, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday at 8 p.m. And I'll just give you a quick look at the at these right here. These are, you can tell these things are absolutely beat. I mean, just look at this right here. Craziness. And you got this one right here, it's kind of already. So the sun and the weather and just the wear and tear of the rubber will fall off. So don't worry about using any of this here. It's a plug and play, super easy, and this stuff's blowing away. All right, I will catch you all in the next video. Peace.